So this is room 2908 of NoMad Las Vegas, which is the top 4 floors of Park MGM. Before we go in, I just wanted to show you the lights outside because I love them. Look at that, it's cool that, isn't it? Very new this, I think it opened, it was either end of October or November last year. But I absolutely love this room. So you've got a whole load of chargeable things here, along with glasses, etc. Just a bit of storage in there. And then your safe is in this unit, along with more chargeable items. Sadly, no space for your own drinks, which is always a bugbear of mine. Got a toilet and a sink here. But it's the little touches I like. Quirky. All of the light fittings are press on and off, and then you have a dimmer switch. They're all the same. Here is your storage. Love that. Jackpot winner at the NoMad for your laundry. And you've got a sort of desk area there with the mirror, and through to the bathroom. Nice walk-in shower. There you go. And again, going into the main room, decent sized TV. These things here are just decorative. They're sort of partition. There's nothing behind them, just partitions. And you've got one each side. And then your bed here. That looks super, super comfy. But one of the reasons I wanted to stay here is your bath. I love a bath in Vegas, right? And you can get a bath. Just roll out of bed and into the bath, really. And I really, again, I love the pictures. Really, really good. And then in terms of a view, not bad, not too shabby at all. So you got area there. Actually, you can see Resorts World again at the top there, look. And then there's the pools down there. I think the one on the right there is the NoMad pool, but I'll do a separate walk around of that later in the week. And I think that's the Park MGM, or one of the Park MGM ones. And one other little thing I just want to show you. I said it's all about the little touches. When you check in, they put your room key in this, which is, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's got sort of a velvet effect. Just a great touch. And this was 4 nights comped, including resort fees comped, $100 resort credit, and $75 in free play, which I've already lost, for a gold M-Life member. So I would say, I've not stayed at Park MGM rooms, but I'd be surprised if they were as nice as this. And I had the choice of either a Park MGM room or a NoMad room. So it's a NoMad King. Yeah, it's very impressive. Speak to you later.